Ladies and gentlemen, this is Prizers TV. I say this is Prizers TV, and we are here once more. We are here because of one important information which we brought you today, and the information is an amazing one. And if you check on my screen, you will see an airport or inside airport, and no, not inside. This is outside anyway. But the airport is Victor International Airport in Akwa Ibom, Nigeria. So what we're going to talk about today is about this airport, both the inside and the outside, and all the information you need to know about the airport. To me, this airport is one of the best airports in Nigeria currently. And there is one good news about this airport, because this airport has gotten an international status, meaning that if you live within the region of South and Southeast and you want to travel abroad, you may not have to travel to Lagos or Abuja to take your flight, because you have an international flight very, very close to your state. Therefore, this airport is going to be one of the biggest achievements in Nigeria. And I have always said it, and I have always agitated that Nigeria should not be only focused on Abuja and Lagos. This is a population of 200 million people. Only Abuja and Lagos airport will be too small for Nigeria. And thank God that the federal government of Nigeria has realized it, and they are now planning to make sure that in each zone there is one international airport in the zone. And South has gotten this one, which is very, very, very nice and an amazing airline. So we are going to talk about it, and we are also going to talk about the development that is happening within the South region, which is about the Ibom Air in South, because this state, known as Akwa Ibom, is a very quiet state, but focused on its business. This is one of the best states to live in Nigeria, where nobody makes noise, but they are taking over everything quietly. So the airport which we come to talk about today is this. This is how the outside look, very beautiful, with a beautiful design. The space is enough, very okay. But remember, what you are seeing here now is prototype. When they wanted to build the airport, this is how it was drawn with a computer. And believe me, you will not know the difference between the prototype and the real one, because they delivered exactly. So as we are going on, you will be seeing that whatever you see there is what they delivered. Now, the first day they produced the prototype, this is what they presented, that all the boarding gate will have what is called avion bridge, which is jet bridge, and skywalk. For some of you who do not know what is skywalk, this is jet bridge, and here is skywalk. Skywalk is a bridge that connects from one house to another house, and the jet bridge or aero bridge or avion bridge is a bridge that connects from a building to an airplane. So this is how it was designed. And as we proceed, we are going to confirm how it is looking today. So this is a real picture, and you can see the jet bridges and this thing. Now, as we continue, when it was at work, they did the building, it was started this way. So the skywalk were all inbuilt. See the skywalk, they were all inbuilt. All inbuilt. You see, there is skywalk from the terminal building to another building. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skywalk. Then when they finished, they bought jet bridges and they coupled it with this skywalk, and they became one. But actually, they are two different things: skywalk and jet bridge, or skywalk and aero bridge, based on how you want to call it. So as we proceed, when it was under construction, this is how it looks if you are entering into the airport. This is the entry. Like if you are driving your car and you are coming to the airport, this is exactly what you will see. But when you are landing, what you will see is not this one. We're going to show you that one as we proceed. And the inside is very, very beautiful. It has electric escalator, which is known as automatic, and the manual, which is this step you see here. They are known as electric escalator and the manual escalator, looking very beautiful and very beautifully. So when you land at the international airport and you come to receive someone, these are the places you can see, but you cannot cross to see where the plane is landing. That is the reason you are seeing this shade that is here, which I believe there are 3 in number, and they made the airport to look very, very unique. The inside, here is the inside, which we showed you earlier, and here is the governor, okay, smiling with the passengers. I think he boarded the flight, and he was talking with some friends, and maybe not friends, but just smiling with people. I don't know that, but that is a good thing, seeing governors doing marvelous work. Okay, and remember, the governor we are talking about is this guy, which is Pastor Muhammed. This guy is a very nice governor. He's a very nice governor. But one thing you have to understand is that the airport was not started by him. The airport was actually started by Udom Emmanuel. but he could not finish it completely. Then the pastor came and completed it, and it is now looking this way, which is a beautiful thing. So the airport at night, when turned on, it is so beautiful. This airport is one of the best airports I have ever seen in my life. It is the best airport. So we are going fast because I have to show you the inside, and you need to see all the information about the inside. Now, if you are landing with airplane, this is what the pilot sees when the pilot land. Pilot will see this Victor Atta International Airport written. But if you are coming from the if you are coming to the airport, you are not going to see this if you are coming to pick someone, because they are different faces. Okay, so then here is the stadium which I talked about, that I love them very well because the kind of development they are doing is unimaginable, and they are actually representing Nigeria in a very, very, very high form, because they have airline and they have stadium, which is the home of Super Eagles of Nigeria. Meaning anybody who is a football player playing for Super Eagles come here at least 10 times a year. This is not a joke. This is a very good development. These people knows how to create tourism, because this is a tourism of its own. When people come here to play football, people come to watch from Lagos, from different places. Man, I clap for Akwa Ibom, believe me. And apart from that, the stadium is beautiful and neat with an airline. Man, okay, so let's continue going. So let's now get inside, because I've been expecting to enter inside and show you how it is, because the inside is much more beautiful than the outside. And this is the reason when the Nigerian aviation minister saw it, he was like, whoa, this is supposed to be international. And it was signed immediately, because the inside is amazing. It's amazing. It doesn't look like what you see anyhow. So here, on getting here, we see the international departure and the domestic departure. So here is just a mark that if you are going international, then you go here. If you land and you want to, and you are coming from Nigeria, then you take your right. That is exactly what it is. And here is where they are discussing about so many things. But up here, I keep on seeing this thing, which I don't know whether it is light or whether it is just a white design. Is this a fluorescence? I don't know. It's white stick, but it makes the place very beautiful. Now, these are the seats they have for the airport covered, because they have not started the international flight yet. Of course, they have international flights which they travel to Ghana. Like this one, it is started since October 2023. But what we are talking about is bigger than this one. We are talking about going to New York. So that is what we are talking about now. So then this one is, they have their seat covered, because this is the one that will be going to New York. And as we proceed, you will know that they are now planning to go to New York and London. So if you remember that I told you one thing about Jet Bridge and Skywalk. Now this is a skywalk that connected to the small building which I told you about, where the Jet Bridge or Avion Bridge is connected with as well. So this place is inbuilt. You don't remove this, you don't remove it. Of course, you can remove it if you want to smash something, okay? So over here is where they have for checking, because it looks like toilet, but it's not toilet. So, and I could not understand it very properly. Is it for weighing? Because it is covered some part with, oh, it is for bags. It is for bags, because see what I see here? This is from where the bag come out, and they roll to here and come here. This is checking that this place, because it's an international system, is not made for me and you to see. This is for immigration. You know, when you put your bag in airplane and all those things, before they take it into a flight, it goes some serious checkings. That one, you don't see them. This is where it happen. This is where it happen. You see all these things? I don't know what it is, because this is my first time of seeing it. And the only opportunity we have to see it is now. When the airport is finished, you can never see this thing. This thing you see is secret. And this thing is what will give you international status or not, because you must have this built properly. Many people will be scanning your machine when you are not there. Here, you will see different kind of scanners. One for the white powder. The other one for even currency, if your bag contains money. The other one is food. If your bag contains certain food that is not allowed. The other one is chemical. This thing you see, this place is where wonder happen. Anything you hear about immigration happens here. See camera over there? This place is a very, very complicated place. Okay? So when you are seeing international status, it's all these things you see. You don't see them outside. It is a hidden something. Therefore, you have opportunity to use your eye to see it. Okay, so then we go here. So we see the ceiling again. I like the ceiling a lot. But I don't know, man, the kind of people design things this way these days, it's not imaginable. So look at how it is. You see this red? come here, design it this way. This is powerful. It's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Believe me, Nigeria has learned how to design things. Although I heard that this airport is similar to Istanbul International Airport. Istanbul International Airport is built based on how Istanbul International Airport is built. But I can tell you, not exactly the same. Not exactly the same. Because international, I will show you where it looks like Istanbul International Airport. But not everywhere. Okay, so as we continue, see how it is. Very, very tall. Very, very tall. See, I can say this airport is one of the tallest roof airports I have seen. One of. Okay, see height of this man. For you to see how tall the airport is. You see the height of this man? This man? This man may be measuring 175 centimeters or 160. Let's say he's short. He's 160. Okay? Who is at 160? Okay, he's at the height of Davido. Davido is 165. Okay, how many Davido would you put to reach on top of this ceiling? Just imagine. I'm coming. See the end of the ceiling? How many Davidos? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 before the hand can be able to touch the ceiling. That shows you how tall the thing is. That is to show you how tall the thing is. We are talking about 10 meters high. No. This is how much did I say? 6. We're talking about maybe 6 meters or 7 high. Very, very tall. Very, very tall. High roof. This is why I respect this airport a lot. So, and ongoing, we see it here. Yeah, this place look like maybe Istanbul Airport. This area that has a curve like this. Okay, so but Istanbul Airport is very, very big. It's like the entire city. That place is very large. Okay, here is where they collect the bags, and it looks good. Remember, it is still under construction. They have not commenced the international flight yet. Of course, they have commenced, but not the one that we are talking about. The one everybody is celebrating, which was given to them last month, was to London and Dubai and South America. It's not Accra and Cameroon. No, we are talking about something bigger. Something bigger. So then we keep on going. This place is domestic departure. Like if you are taking domestic departure, then you take your ride, which is very good. Here is domestic arrival. Okay, people who are arriving from domestic distance will enter here. Now, here is where the big men itself are. This room you see, today may be the last day you will see it in your life, unless if you are very, very rich. Because this place is made for governors, presidents, prime ministers, Dangote, top businessmen. This is known as VIP. VIP. And not ordinary VIP. This is for very, very important personality. See how the place look? Okay? So, and it is mounted here, home of Ibom A. Home of Ibom A, here, with the glasses everywhere, so many designs. You see, home of Ibom A. Here, it look like a sitting room of somebody. A sitting room of somebody. So if you go to the airport, you are not going to sit with the governor if the governor is traveling. You are traveling out. Or even coming in. You are not going to see president of any country. This is where they come. You are not going to see important business people. This is where they arrive. They will be here. They sit as if they are not waiting for flight. Immediately their flight come, which in most of the cases, chartered flight, they will move from here very easily. Man, life is good. Chai, these are the things that when someone is poor, he will be praying to God, say, why do other people enjoy like this and my own is suffering? The way rich people behave sometimes makes you to look for money anyhow. Unbelievable. Even at the airport, even them having chartered flights, they still have a room where they stay. Man, this life is somehow. Okay, let's continue. So this place is where we're talking about. This place really look like, what do you call it? Turkey Istanbul Airport. This place look like so. It look like so. Yeah, because I read about this airport before coming today. So it is a copy of Istanbul Airport, especially inside. And I have begun to understand that what they said is true, but not completely, but partially, yes. So as we continue checking the inside, we see, wow, beautiful ceiling. So let's talk about it very fast and go. And you see they are cross-checking the seat to make sure that it meets the international standard, because most of the people you see here are people, somebody will board flight in New York and find himself here. So you don't expect the seats to look so much different from what he used to. So they want to make sure that everything looks almost the same as if you are in New York. Now, here is where you put your bag. This place also is where they catch some bad guys. You see this place, you see, before you cross to this place, you must put your bag here, pass one of these frames you see here, or frames. They are known as body scanners. If you have something, you hear, beep, 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 they say, go back, remove your belt, remove your shoe. Beep, 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 beep. As they are going, your bag is passing through this one, and then you go and you collect it over there. This is if you are boarding with your bag. But if you are not boarding with your bag, then your bag will be scanned from the other one I showed you. That one is the main one. That one is the real main one, much stronger than this one. So here is how it looks, and what I like here is that you will be here and could be seen everywhere, including seeing the airplane landing and taking off. This is one of the best airports ever, believe me. So Nigeria now is not the way it used to be. Many people who thought that Nigeria doesn't have a good airport. They should go arena. So Nigeria is one of the most developed countries when it comes to airport. The only place I believe that Nigeria is failing is road. They don't know how to construct pedestrian walkways and the bicycle road. They don't have even a single bicycle road or pedestrian walk. Yeah, they have pedestrian walkway, but bicycle road, I have never seen a single state with a bicycle road. Nigeria doesn't know how to construct road. That is the problem. So then coming here is the counter. Here, very soon, you will see all the important airlines will take over this place. See this place you see here? You will see A piece, A this one, A that one, A that one. They will all be queued here. Okay? So they scan your bag, they put it here, it will go there, and then go left, and it will disappear until you arrive to where you are going to. Then you will collect it. Okay? So here also is, I don't know where this place is. I think this is for customers as well, because if you check the ceiling here, see the ceiling, you can see a water pipe. This pipe you see that is red like this is emergency pipe for water. You see it? Emergency pipe for water. Emergency pipe for water. Meaning that if there is any fire in this airport, they turn this thing on, everywhere will turn as if rain is falling. Before you know it, everything is quenched. Now, if you go to airport, you can never see pipe water naked like this. Never. Unless in the hidden places like where custom works, where all these things work. And if you check, bag come from here. Maybe when they suspect your bag, this is where it comes. And if you check over there, I don't know whether you can see, there is a rail here that pass a bag. That bag moves from here to here, 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 and then go deep to here and enter into this machine. To this machine, you see. So if you are boarding flight, you are not going to see all these security rooms. You are not going to see them. Inside there doesn't look beautiful. But there is where you see detention. There is where you see arrest. There you see where they question people. If your visa is fake, they find some white inside your bag. This place, this room you see like this, is a case room. All this room you see, they are a case room. So if you go to airport, you will not see this thing. Never will you see it. We are seeing it because they are under construction. Even the people who are taking the picture, they don't even know what they are snapping. So if you check, there is another camera here picturing everything. It's not very, very visible, but you can just look at it. Okay, so outside is here. If you remember, I told you it has avian bridge and jet bridge. So what is now is jet bridge or avian bridge, the one that is connect to the airplane direct. Then there is another one known as skywalk, which is from where this avian bridge finished, and this one is number 4. Number 4. This is track 404. Okay, from this 04, there is another bridge. From here, go to the building. That one is known as skywalk. Now, over here, we have a waiting room where people wait. And I believe when the flight commences, you see this place look like this. 2 or 3 people will be sitting here. They are working for information. If you need anything to ask them, you can say, please, so what time is a piece arriving? They will say, okay, check it on the board there. You see that? I think April. Where are you going to? New York? Yes, okay. It is your flight VX574 EM? Yeah, okay. It is coming maybe in 5 minutes time. So these are the places you go and you ask questions. There will be more, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 people will be here continuously. Even sometimes they have phone, they can make call, they can do anything. Sometimes they even send somebody to help you if your case is very, very serious. Now, getting here is just a waiting place where people sit and wait, and this is like the last ticket. So another thing I like about this airport is this 3 cuff it has here. You see, I don't know if you see these 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. So this type of building is known as contemporary architecture. That is a futuristic building built with a meaning. There is a meaning why the architect put these 3 fingers. For you to see how it is. It's like designing a coat of arm or designing some certain things in your currency. So that design that is in your currency has a meaning. So I don't know what this thing means in Akwa Ibom. It could mean that there are 3 tribes in Akwa Ibom. It could mean that many things which we don't know about. Now, here is where they weigh your bag. Like if you bring bag, they will say highest is 23 kg. If it's over 23 kg, you must pay $100 extra. This is what it is. And if we continue going, you will see where you're supposed to place your bag. This is where you're supposed to place your bag, and that thing happen. And then from there, it goes on. So these are the numbers for 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And over here, what you see is TV, small TV, written about what it is just name of airline, names of airline, like APs, Ibom A, Enugu A, different airlines will be here, Arik A, you see them. So if you are boarding with each of them, you just go to the counter and ask them and show them your bag. Here is where you board, and they give you tickets and so on and so forth. That is exactly what this place means. Then you drop your bag here, and then it will show how many kg you have on your bag, whether it is too heavy. If it is too heavy, they may reject it or tell you to pay an extra amount of money. So, and that is exactly what you see here. So here is to climb the upstairs, which is over there. Now this airport has a lot of things. Unbelievable. That is the reason I say I must go quick to go inside, see how it is. You climb here, and also you can decide here. But it's like this place is made for people who work here. Believe me, because the way it is. Okay, so then we continue going here. Here is the exit door, which is as it is written here. This is for going out. Man, see the pillars, very big, very tall. Actually, it looks like that Istanbul airport, and it is not looking bad at all. And here is where we talked about before. Yeah, this is it, where they have 17, 18, 19. Okay, this is the beginning, because I can see 09 here. This is 08. These are unbelievable. Remember, we saw 14, 15, meaning that more than 15 airlines will be there. That is exactly what it is. If we go here, I don't know whether it's 15 we saw. Yes, we saw 17. 17 here. Unbelievable. Each one is an airline. You see this thing you see here? 16 is one airline, A piece, for example. 17, Ibom A. Maybe 15 here, Enugu A. 14 here, Arik. This is exactly how it is. Each one is a flight. Each one is a... So they have up to 17, and it did not stop there. It will continue going. I realized it when I came here, and I began to see 07. You see 07? You see 07? You see 05? You see 04? It will continue like that. It started here. It started here. Wow. So then it's like this here. This is 09, which we talked about. Here, what is this? What is this? This is toilet? Well, I don't know about this place. The image is not all that correct. But the door makes me to suspect that it is something bigger than toilet. Why should the door be so strong like this? The reason they don't put such a strong door in the toilet is because a bad guy may get there and lock himself. Say, maybe he do something wrong and lock himself. Then how can you remove this door? Because all these things are calculated before everything is done in airport. So this place must be somewhere, something very serious before they put this door. So I don't know what it is. So then getting here is where where everybody goes to collect their bag. So when this place is open, if you are traveling, you may probably see yourself here one day collecting one of your bags. So, and it's just normal. This place is for the general public, and it looks very good. So here, let's go faster. So the place is looking good, and they still have scanner here. Oh my goodness. The way everything is controlled. This thing you see here, upcoming. This thing you see is scanner. It is scanner. Even when your bag arrive here, it is still scanning to know whether there is anything missing. Unbelievable. No, international airport is not a more. And remember, they still have cameras everywhere, okay? Unbelievable. So doors everywhere. So now let's continue going because I have to finish everything. This is passport control. This place is one of the worst place to be if you are traveling to a country. Anything can happen here. Even when you have your passport, they can still say one thing or the other. Many people, when they get to this place, if they're traveling outside their territory is like if you're moving from Africa to America, okay, anything can happen here. Anything can happen. You may even get visa, and because of one thing they find online, they say, "Are you this person here? Okay, sit down here." Maybe from there they say they reject your visa or whatever. Okay, so here, because that place is immigration, this is exit. And if you remember what I told you about Skywalk, see Skywalk over there that take you from the terminal to that place that is written 04, which I showed you earlier. And then here is a transfer flight. Transfer flight. From here, you go to the transfer flight. And man, these people are very prepared. Very prepared. This is how it looks everywhere. This is how it looks everywhere. Very soon, it will be putting C10, C8, C1, C4, C go this way, E go here. That is what it will, but not now. When they name everywhere, then all those things will be later. So here is the way from airplane to the, what do you call it? To jet bridge. Okay. So then we continue going. Here is the ceiling. So let's watch how the ceiling is done. Another thing I like about this airport is it's properly done. Of course, they will have to do it properly because otherwise they will not get the international status. So see the zinc, how it is, and very tall. Now here, what you see here is a fan. It's called vent. This thing you see here, what it is always two. One bring A and the other one takes A out. So that even when here is not outside, you may not hear anything outside. The A they have in outside, they can bring fresh air from outside into the airport. You understand? For you to breathe normal air. That is how it is done very properly everywhere. So over here is baggage. If you are going to collect your baggage, then here is where you take. Very beautifully done. And the same which I talk about. But there's something I don't know about. I wanted to talk about it, but I don't know what it is. You see here, there is a city. Okay. This is, oh yeah. Man, Ibom International. What we are seeing here is if you are traveling abroad and you have to sit and wait for flight for a long time, and you have your laptop, you can actually come here, sit, place your laptop here, and socket it into one of these switches, and be watching video free, film free, listening to this thing, YouTube, and with your headphone. Perfect, because Wi-Fi is going to be free here. Then we continue going. I saw it before, I didn't know what it is, but now that so I'm talking about this, and then I found out that I know what it is. Okay, so here is the ceiling which we talked about, and what I said about earlier is this: they make it that you can sit here. You see, 1, 2 people. Also, it continues. 3, 4, and this thing, there are many. I have seen in different places. You see socket here? You see socket? This is a socket where you socket your computer. Also, you can recharge your telephone here. Man, these people are very serious. They are very, very serious. They are very, very serious. They know what they are doing. So then I continue going. Here is the body scanner that will scan you. We have seen something like this before. And they scan your body to make sure that you don't carry anything like color, so you don't go and cause confusion inside an airplane. Okay, so that is what that one is for. We have seen something like this. Yeah, we have seen this one. We have seen something like this. This is for the baggage. That when you arrive to the airport, then you put your bag here by the left side. If I zoom it, you will see it very clearly. You put your bag here and they come out from the other side. And this is a scaffolding, meaning that people are still working here. What you are seeing here is scaffold. So that one is not among. That one is for the construction. And here there will be police sitting here and immigration and everybody, NDLA and so on and so forth, removing your clothes, removing your shoe. Unbelievable. That is exactly what is going to be happening there. So as we continue, it's still like that. Coming here is where they wait for flight and so on and so forth. Man, this place is well done. Well done. Now, here, do you see what I see here? When you put your bag and everything is successful, okay, this one is not you. Sorry. When your bag is being scanned by immigration, they put it here and it pass. It just passed one step. When they did not find anything here, like whitey, or they did not find any iron or anything that maybe even food that is not allowed, no problem. That your bag will move from this machine you see here, climb here. When you reach here, it take right. When it take right, it goes to that place I showed you earlier. But this is how it is. You take this right, you continue. Okay. That is how it is. So you continue until you reach to where the immigration have another scanning again, which they will scan it properly. And it will pass from here. You see this route you see? That is where it is going to pass. This airport is a very good airport. Very, very good airport, especially when it comes to security. After seeing it today, wow, I'm even afraid to use the airport. The kind of scanning that is here is unbelievable. Seeing it like this is like, wow. See how security is here. Whoa. So here is where they collect the bags. Okay, and over here, let's continue going. So here is just a normal place. We're about to finish. And over here is something I did not know what it is. I tried to find out what this place is. I could not. I don't know. Offices like this, you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this police station? Is this where interrogation? Is this? I don't know what this place is. But this is a special room with only about 6 bulls working. They have demarcation, meaning that they are working separately. The demarcation I mean is that if you see this table, it is separated. That is showing you that this man and this man has nothing to do. You are working separate, I'm working separately. Are they watching something from computer? I don't know. This one is something above me. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Because most of all these things you see, when you hear about immigration, you hear about international crime, international criminal cases, there are people watching online, watching number of people at the airplane. Each passenger has to be identified who he is before landing. Immediately you are landing. When the immigration is asking you question outside, it's because somebody sent him from inside. That is the reason there are so many things you cannot know, including not all of them. Even if you work at the airport, you will not know all these things because they are secret upon secret. Because it depends on the department. Because what is in my department, you are not going to know it. Okay, so this is the outside of the airport, which I say I like a lot. And if you are driving in, this is how it is. It looks very, 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 very beautiful. And I love Murtala International Airport. See their toilet, how it is, and it is amazing. It is amazing. Now we come to this place. Of course, I know here is always going to be like this. This place is actually where anybody can enter here. Anybody can enter here. When it is finished, this place is where the workers and so on and so forth, you can actually enter here, even the cleaners. So on getting here is about the bag which I told you about. And here, there is one image that did not come here, but no problem. This place is, if you are moving from maybe gate C, gate D, gate L, gate F, you just move. There is another corner by the right. This place is like T junction. From here, you can go to gate F, gate C, D, depending on where you choose. But I did not get the image very well, but no problem. I understood what it is. So we have come to an end of the airport, and believe me, after watching Murtala International Airport, I found out that there are so many things that are in international airports which we don't know about. And now I began to realize them because I have a little information about some of all those things. So even when I don't know the office, I can recognize 2 or 3 things and know exactly what that is. Believe me. So seeing all these things at Murtala International Airport, man, make me to respect international airports a lot. So you have already seen it. This international terminal actually merits to be international terminal. I think it's even overmerits. It's even overmerits, believe me. So after watching this, I'm like, unbelievable. So to travel to America is not easy. It's not easy. So I will stop here and thank you very much for watching. Know that you've been watching Murtala International Airport in Akwa Ibom, or Atuyo in Akwa Ibom. So, and it is amazing. So what I see here is so beautiful. So see you next time, and I know that you'll be watching Prizes TV, and our TV is to showcase all the contemporary architecture and futuristic buildings, meaning that we focus on beautiful buildings, how they are built, and the reason they are built, and all the popular buildings that are popping up here and there. So we go, and also development like good road, nice road, and shopping malls, and so on and so forth. So since they are new or something is happening there, we go one by one to check whether that place actually merit all the information we are hearing. Because some of them are just overhyped. But we see the Murtala International Airport is not overhyped. This is a real international airport. This one is even more than what we expected. So thank you very much for watching. I know that you'll be watching Prizes TV, and see you next time. Okay? So thank you.